Looking for how to insert heart in circle in MS Word, then keep watching. It's pretty simple and easy. Let's get started. First, head to the insert on the top menu bar, and on the right side you will see that symbol. Click on symbol and click on more symbols. And here in the symbol tab you need to select normal text, and in the subject you need to select private use area. And now find here, and here is the heart in circle. You just need to click on that and click insert and click close. Go to the home and change the color of your choice. Even you can give some gradient effects like this. So this way you can easily insert heart in circle in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.